Okay, we are continuing. Hey, Pook, say hi.
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 Good morning.
Good morning. We're continuing on our South Coast adventure. We're headed east. The end of the day, we'll be at Hotel Jökull, and we're going to stop off, see a canyon, a couple waterfalls, a diamond beach, and also the glacier lagoon. So, we'll see you on the road. Okay, we are here at I don't know, we're here at some canyon. Here's the name of it, if you can see that. This is where the canyon's at. And it's about let me turn this around. It's about a mile, they said a mile and a quarter round trip hike.
You locked the car?
So yes, I locked the car, Poke. So we will see what it's about. Let me turn this around. I don't know where the trail's at. There's the trail. Going up the hill. Let's see what the sign says. What's that?
1 kilometer longer.
It's kind of a nice area, isn't it, Poke? These paths are so noisy. It's like a little kid eating Captain Crunch or something. Looks like got a little side trail here. Pook was just saying this looks like a Lord of the Rings set. That's one way to see it. Hey, and we made it. We just missed one of the paragliders going down the canyon there. Yeah, it's not that long of a hike. It's pretty much all uphill, which means it'll be all downhill going back. But all right, let's check it out. There's the view. Well, that's it for this canyon hike, or above the canyon hike. Nice view, worth a visit. And now we're going to head back to the car. We'll see you back on the road.
I like about the onion, have a crispy onion.
Yeah.
And then they put the
Mayonnaise with onion.
The mustard is the
sweet mustard.
Sweet mustard.
Yep.
Mustard. Look at this.
Okay, Pope.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
All right, our next stop is Lomagnuber. Yeah, Google says it's about 45 minutes away, 46 kilometers. It'll just be like a stop on the side of the road to see this geological formation. All right, we'll see you on the road. We just pulled over at a little rest stop on the side of the road. Boot's taking us to the secret location on this gravel road. It's almost 2 kilometers on this road. We don't know where we're at, but that's one big rock. That one's a bus, but we didn't get to see Big Rock. Huge rock, mountain rock. And it's nice. It's pretty windy. Woo, real windy. Okay, we stopped off at a rest stop and have something. Okay, I don't know what to say. We're actually headed to one of these glaciers to check it out. This looks like bridge supports or something, but they don't tell you what it's for. Oh, yeah. There's no description. It's definitely something warped it. It's some thick metal. Oh, we're here. Okay, so there's a compound over here.
So we go inside there.
Yep.
Okay.
And then the Svartifoss, the waterfall. Okay. so you have to laugh because I have no idea how to pronounce names. Guess we're going to Svartifoss. It's another waterfall. There's actually a huge glacier that's above it, but you can't do the glacier. You have to, I should say, you have to hire a guide to go up on the glacier, and it takes several hours. So, anyway, we're going to use the facilities and then go up the trail. It's about a mile. All right, we'll see you out there. This is our lunch. $48. It's our view from lunch. The what?
They said, but you like the word children of the nature.
Oh, yeah. No, that was just a sign. We hope we're going the right way. We think we are. So we'll find out in an hour or two. So we stopped and looked at a map. And the trail we're on actually goes to the glacier, the base of the glacier. But it's only like a mile. So we'll go there, and then we'll go back and then do the fall. The falls, the waterfalls. Alright, let me turn this around. Here's where we are. Can I pronounce it? There's a glacier. So I think towards the beginning of when we got to this site, we said that we were going to go to a waterfall. But obviously this is a glacier. So we took the wrong trail. But we wanted to see the glacier. So we're gonna head back in a second and then maybe do the waterfall trail after we get back to where the cafeteria was. All right, we'll see you back there. Oh, that is our second glacier that we've seen. We saw the one in the Canadian Rockies around Banff, and now in Iceland. Very cool. Those are the only two I've ever seen in my whole life. That's kind of crazy, the glacier. So from 2012 and then 2019, 18 and 19. That's kind of crazy. Okay, so we made it back to the trailhead. So if you're facing the buildings, go to your left. We both use the facilities, and now we are going to go to Svartifoss. Foss, whatever. Means waterfall. This is the camping section of the park. That's a hell of a big tent. Okay, from here, 1.5 kilometers. Why do they always go uphill? My God. Uphill. Uphill. It's uphill. We're finally going downhill for a blink of an eye. We're going back uphill. Okay, we just walked halfway up a mountain to see that. Okay, I'm gonna go sit down now. Pook's gonna walk the couple other extra meters down to the bridge. And I'm just gonna stay here. I'm gonna rest, relax. Yeah. Okay, that's it. I think once she gets back, we're gonna head down the hill. And we'll see you back out of the car and on the road. See ya. This is our last view of Jökull, whatever that says. Glacier. Alrighty. We're gonna jump in the car and head back to the beach, Diamond Beach. We'll see what that's about. And then we'll get checked in the hotel. Probably have to get some food in there somewhere, but we'll see you on the road. We're at the place with the piece of the iceberg that are floating in the bay. It's getting late. I don't think we're going to take a boat, but we just came here to check it out. So there's the glacier over there, way off in the distance. I think this is just more of a photo opportunity, but it's very cool. So let me turn this around one last time, and then we're going to go to the Diamond Beach, which I think is just right down that way. Not too far, probably less than a mile. Okay, that's the end of the glacial lagoon. Now we're going to go to the Diamond Beach, I believe. So we'll see you back on the road. Actually, I don't think we'll see you on the road because I think it's just like a half a mile over there. We'll find out. Okay, we're at Diamond Beach. Okay, Diamond Beach has turned into 1, 2, 3 pieces of ice washed up on the beach. There, Pookie is touching one of the handful of diamonds on the beach. Don't know. I'm sure there are times when there's little pieces of glacier all over the place, but not today. Uh-oh. Water's coming. Well, I think we're going to call that good for Diamond Beach. We still have about an hour drive to the hotel. And plus we need to find something to eat. So we'll see you back on the road. Here's the hotel we're sleeping in tonight. It was converted from an old school. We have to share a bathroom too. Yuck. Okay, here's our room. I don't remember what the price is. I'll have to put it down there. And if we want to use the bathroom like we both just did, you got to come down here and use the bathroom. There you go. Woo! Hook and I got a bunch of snacks at Netto from the local grocery stores. We're eating dinner in our room and we're going to call it a night. So we'll see you on the next video. Bye.